everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you, and I have got the Natural Wellness box, and this is how it arrives in the post. I've got my address on here. So as always, if you're new to the Natural Wellness box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown, but if you've seen it all before, I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below, so you're free to flick forward. So the Natural Wellness box is based in the UK. It's a bi-monthly subscription box that costs £35. It's free shipping within the UK and £9.95 for the rest of Europe. If you opt for a bi-monthly box, you can cancel any time, but they also offer a 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Inside every box you'll receive between 5 to 7 products. It contains a mix of clean beauty skincare, which are cruelty free and vegan, as well as health supplements and healthy snacks as well. Their aim is to make you beautiful and healthy from the inside out. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below in description, so underneath this video see show more. If you click that, that'll bring a description and everything will be listed down there. So this box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've been receiving this box now for a good couple of months, and it is one of my favourite subscription boxes to receive. It's a little bit different. It is a little bit of a niche type of box. If you think Holland & Barrett, it's got no affiliation to Holland & Barrett, I'm just saying, just to give you an idea of the type of box it is. So it's all to do with wellness, all to do with natural health and beauty, and yeah, it's just a really lovely box. So let's get on to opening up and showing you what I got inside. I got a few items in my hands as well, but I'll give you a sneak peek first. So we've got some leaflets related to the products in the box, but we also got a little leaflet here and it details everything about the products in the box, including the prices as well. So this is the January-February box and it contains 9 products, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. Now this is a little bit different. I've never received any tickets or anything like that in a subscription box before, but inside every box you'll receive a ticket to, is it called the Vegan Life? Yeah, Vegan Life Live. There's a little leaflet in here all about it, and you've got a ticket. Now these tickets, it says on the information, that are worth £12, and you got your ticket there. It's got all information and details about it on here. It's in London on the 14th and the 15th of March this year. We are showcasing over 250 exhibitors with meat alternatives, cruelty-free beauty products, clothing and accessories, protein shakes and supplements, plus many more. Vegan Life Live has so much to offer to new vegans, and we're sure to help you continue your plant-based journey. So there's a lot more information about it in there, and you've got the leaflet there as well going into detail. So unfortunately for me, I live in West Wales, which is about a 5-hour drive away from London. If any of you would like this ticket, please let me know down below, and then the first person that I see, then I'll give you my email address so that you can email me your address then and I'll send it off to you. But no, I thought that was pretty cool. So has it got any information about it here? No, it's just what I read in here. So the first item is a ticket. Next we got a drink, and this is by Remedy Kombucha. I think that's how you say it. This is a no sugar raspberry lemonade, 250ml. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. We started Remedy on our kitchen counter. We do things the old school way. Long aged brews, small batches, full of goodness, the tastiest kombucha going round. That is so nice. That is so nice. I can't really taste the lemonade though. There's a little bit of a spritz there, but it's more just imagine crushed up raspberries in liquid form. No lumps or anything, but that's what it tastes like. And it's gorgeous, really lovely. So one of these will cost you £1.99, packed full of friendly bacteria, delicately brewed for 30 days using a traditional fermentation technique and handcrafted in small batches, non-alcoholic, vegan and fructose free. So the second item in the box. Next we've got some supplements, and these are Potion London Eat Your Greens. Oh, Super Greens food supplements, 60 capsules. Oh my gosh. Right, okay, I'll just show you what it looks like there. The reason I got excited when I saw this, that Eat Your Greens, is because one of my children really can't stand the taste of vegetables, which is mad. I love vegetables, but they won't eat it. They never have done, and they really struggle to eat it, even if I try to disguise it in different foods and things. So I wonder what the age limit of this would be and whether it would be safe for them to for a child to actually take it, I mean. But let's see if it's got any more information about here. To buy this, it'll cost you £30. A whole food supplement packed full of beauty boosting, antiviral, anti-aging and antioxidant superfoods. The unique blend contains spirulina, if I said that right, barley grass, wheatgrass, spinach, kale and beetroot. These ingredients contain significant amounts of vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, protein, dietary fibre and contains all of the essential amino acids needed by the body. Take 1 capsule per day. So yeah, so there's that. Next we've got a bottle of CRUELTY Awaken Active Eye Cream. Very smart minimalist packaging there. That's a massive bottle, isn't it? Eye cream lasts for ages and ages and ages because you only need a tiny bit because yeah, you've got tiny eyes, haven't you? You haven't got a big area to put it on, so that'll last a long while. 30 mils here, and it says revive and awaken the delicate skin around your eyes with a silky smooth eye cream rich in bioactive ingredients including paracress and hyaluronic acid. It helps reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines. It says using your ring finger, apply 1 small pump on the skin around the eye area, gently pat in until fully absorbed. Just want to try a little bit on my hand. Ooh, it's quite thick. It's quite a thick cream, but it's absorbing really nicely into my hand. It almost has like a blurring effect. You might not be able to see on the camera of the pores. It almost has like a blurring. I'm not sure. Let me have a try on the actual pore side now that I'm aware, just to see. That has got like a blurring effect. Only subtle, but definitely blurring my pores out on my hand. Wow, imagine what that would do on your eyes. Blur those lines away. Blur those lines away. You can still see them, but it's definitely sort of blurred it a little bit. Wow. No smell, no smell. But yeah, really excited to give that a go. So what's it say? This will cost you £22. It says lightweight and fast absorbing with a silky smooth texture. This formula will revive and awaken the delicate skin around your eyes. And then it just goes into telling you what I read off the bottle. So yeah, so really have to give it a go. So there's that. Next we got something in a bubble wrap. And we got something by Phase. Oh, that was the little leaflet I had here. And it's Cleanse It Oil to Lava Face Cleanser, Grapeseed and Rose, and 20 mils. So it looks like there. Take off makeup and deep cleanse your face, suitable for all skin types, including oily combination and acne prone skin. Squeeze 2 to 3 pumps into palm, add water and emulsify into milky lather. Apply to face in circular movements and rinse off. Can be applied to dry face for a more nourishing effect and left on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing off. Oh, I love cleansers. I absolutely love cleansers. Right, this is a little mini size. To buy the 100 mils, it will cost you £25, and it says take the makeup off and deep cleanse your face of dirt and debris with this oil to lather face cleanser, and then it just goes into telling you what I read off the back here on how to apply it. So yes, we got a cleanser. Next we've got something by Squirrel Sisters. It's something to eat, and this is a peanut caramel natural protein bar ×2. It's new, and it says we have no added sugar, plant-based and gluten-free. That sounds absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? It says gorgeous, made in the UK. It's vegan, yeah. But unfortunately, I can't have it at the moment because I've just started an autoimmune protocol diet. It's to help people with gut issues, hormone problems, or if you have trouble like regulating your vitamins and minerals and things like that. So it reduces inflammation in the gut, and by cutting out a load of different food groups. It's very, very difficult to get into, but my gosh, I feel amazing. I feel amazing. A few weeks into it, I do feel absolutely brilliant, and I do it once or twice a year. It is really hard. I would love to do it full time, but I can't. In between, I do try to stick to a dairy and gluten-free diet, but yeah, when I go on holiday, whoosh, goes out the window. Goes out, which is naughty for myself, only because from myself. I'm not doing it for anybody else, but I can't have peanuts. Long story short, I can't have peanuts, so I can't have that now. Oh, the willpower. Alright, to buy this it'll cost you £1.79, and it just says a new indulgent flavour, gluten-free, vegan, and a good source of fibre and protein, and even certified by Sugarwise. We've got here jasmine and neroli body oil, and this is Naloa. Body oil with sweet almond, rice bran, safflower and avocado. Apply to clean damp skin for a soft dewy glow. Oh my gosh, 125 mils. Look at that. Oh, I just love the smell. Absolutely love the smell of neroli. I really like that. I really like it, and yeah, the smell is absolutely gorgeous. So how much is this oil then? So to buy this it'll cost you £13.30, and it says non-greasy and doesn't leave a sticky residue, blended with the therapeutic essential oils of jasmine and neroli, use after showering or bathing, apply to damp skin. So I really like that. So there's that. So the next item is an added freebie, and it is Whittard of Chelsea salted caramel flavour hot chocolate, and we've got 2 of them here. 20-gram pouches each. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can I have it? Can I have it now? Sugar, cocoa, dextrose, flavouring, salt, cocoa solid minimum. It looks like I can. I'll have a proper read afterwards, but no, there's no information about it in here. So yeah, we got an added extra. So 2 hot chocolates there. Next we got something by Mawish, and this is raw Innocent Indulgence. Maybe this is a sample as well. Hold on. Because yeah, normally we get like 5 to 7 products in the box, so we do seem to have a few more this month, so maybe they added extras. I'm not sure. This is just a little sample, but for the full size tub it'll cost you £9.99. It's a Metabolism Booster Superfood Latte sample. I should have read that first, shouldn't I? Made with the finest cocoa, cinnamon, vanilla and chili, this smooth healing chili chocolate drink can help rev your energy levels. And then it's got the instructions on the back there and what to do. So you've got a little pouch there, so it's a little sample that they've added in. Energy boosting drink. I love that. We've got a latte sample, and then lastly we got a Le Bon licorice mint. What is it? Oh, it's a dentifrice toothpaste. It's made in France. I'll let you have a read there. Ooh, there you go. So we got a toothpaste. Whoa, snazzy packaging. Snazzy packaging. Certified organic ingredients naturally help to protect gums, to control bacteria that can cause decays, with natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This will cost you $18.50, and it says provides an instant calming, relaxing feeling. Packed full of minty fresh flavours and a splash of licorice, this blend is great on the days you want an instant moment of calmness. If I didn't know that it was already a toothpaste, I wouldn't have thought that was describing a toothpaste at all. I want to see it. I want to smell it. Hold on. I can taste the licorice. Very minty. Very, very minty. So yeah, so we got a toothpaste. So there's that. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to add them all up and gather them all up, and I'll be back. These aren't all of them. These are the items that are in the box that had a value, and the box cost £35. It's bi-monthly, and the value of this month's box comes to over £100. It works out to be about £101. So we've got a body oil, we've got an eye cream, we've got a toothpaste, we've got a vegan life ticket, we've got a raspberry lemonade drink, we've got a peanut type protein bar, and we've got Potion London super green supplements there. I'll just put these down and add these. We also got these as well. These are added freebies, this sample. So you've got a hot chocolate there, and you've got a latte mix. So yeah, a lot of items inside this box. As always, it hasn't disappointed me. There's a lot of items there I can't wait to use. That body oil is absolutely stunning. The eye cream, that sort of has like a bit of a blurring effect, which isn't mentioned on the information, but it's sort of blurred, like the marks on my hand. So I can't wait to see what it does underneath my eyes. Really good mix. I love the drinks and stuff as well, and the added freebies. And yeah, no, I'm really, really impressed. Really, really good box. A really nice, sort of different kind of box then. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to this box? All your thoughts and opinions, please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.